Good evening and relax everyone, क्योंकि we've got everything under control right now.
My game, my rules, my victory.
अब ये चूर गायब होने वाला है।
सबसे पहले तो आपको ढेरों शुभकामनाएं।
I'm actually the producer, but I call the shots here. So let's see the trailer, guys.
ऐसे नहीं सर, ऐसे नहीं होगा। आपकी पिक्चर है, खर्चा काफी किया गया है, स्टाइल और अंदाज में होगा। देखिए वॉल्ट ऐसे खुलेगा नहीं सर, एक कोड के जरिए खुलेगा और वो कोड जो है वो सिर्फ आपके ही हुक्म से आ सकता है।
ट्रेलर ज़्यादा धमाकेदार होगा, स्पीच धमाकेदार शायद नहीं लेकिन इम्पोर्टेंट ज़रूर है। बिकॉज आई एम हियर टू टॉक अबाउट ऑल द इनक्रेडिबल पीपल बिहाइंड दिस फिल्म। फर्स्टली अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट अस एट नेटफ्लिक्स। नेटफ्लिक्स पर हमारा बस एक ही मकसद है, टू टेल स्टोरीज दैट आर इमोशनल, engaging and entertaining.
What is the lovely thing about a script like this? I mean, what I like about a heist movie is the guy does something technically wrong. I mean, he breaks the law, but he does it for a good reason, usually to help someone in his family. And that kind of, it's an honorable kind of theft. So it makes it a very exciting kind of character. He's got skills that are of the criminal type. And I think people enjoy watching people breaking the law in a movie like this. It gives them a chance to kind of take on the system. And I think that's what heist films are about.
Heist films में हमेशा बहुत सारे ट्विस्ट टर्न्स होते हैं और किसी को नहीं पता है कौन क्या गेम खेल रहा है। एज सर सेड कि नोबडी नोज, हमेशा ब्लफ होगा, कुछ ना कुछ ऊपर नीचे होगा। किरदार बदलेंगे, उनकी हरकतें बदलेंगी तो कुछ नया ट्विस्ट आएगा। तो आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत सारे नए ट्विस्ट देखने को मिलेंगे। अब ये नहीं बताऊंगा कि मैं चोरी करवा रहा हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, वो आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा।
मुझे नेटफ्लिक्स में जाके बहुत बड़ी चोरी करनी पड़ी थी इसके लिए और मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ क्या है, बट बहुत मेहनत लगी, बहुत स्किल लगा इसके लिए।
Always do a genre that's best in class, and the best in class really comes from the team behind it. I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but both Robbie and Cookie have so masterfully crafted this absolute masaledar, fun, heist action film.
I was looking to do a film like this. Like I've never done a heist film, which is a roller coaster ride, thriller, surprise after surprise. So I was looking to do something like that, and luckily I had a chance to do it with an amazing team.
You know, as you rightly mentioned, when a heist is happening, there is actually a lot happening even while you're shooting. So there were lots of times when I would actually get so lost because I would just be like, okay, what's going on? Why is it going here? What's happening basically with the scene? So I've had two very, very talented directors who've actually led me on with that. If you have to take it, talk about taking back from this film. I mean, I've been a part of Sid Anand's world, which I feel is a huge thing because, I mean, you know, I feel as an actor, especially as a female actress, I would say, when you start working, all these years I have been in the industry, I don't think I've actually lived that classic Bollywood heroine tag, which thanks to you and to Mamta, I have gotten this opportunity to play the classic Bollywood heroine. And I'm not saying just because you're going to see me dancing. It's just overall to get the heroine feeling. And I think I've gotten that from this film. So that's my personal takeaway from being a part of Sid Anand's world with this film.
I think firstly, thanks Netflix for having such an amazing event and for all of you to be here. आप सोच सकते हैं अगर इतना इवेंट अच्छा है लॉन्च करने के लिए तो पिक्चर में कितनी चीज़ें होगी। आई थिंक मुझे फर्स्टली फॉर मी फॉर दिस फिल्म सिद्धार्थ आनंद वाज द नॉर्दर्न स्टार, तो उन्हीं को फॉलो करके आई हैव नेविगेटेड दिस फिल्म। ही ब्रॉट मी ऑन जहाँ पे इतनी अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट पहले तो, जहाँ पे इतने ट्विस्ट टर्न्स, इतने उमदे कैरेक्टर्स जो आपको एक पता ही नहीं चलता कि ये पॉइंट पे क्या करेंगे, विच वाज सो अमेजिंग। इतने अच्छे एक्टर्स, इतना बड़ा सेटअप, आई थिंक दैट फॉर मी दैट वाज अमेजिंग। और जो कैरेक्टर्स को वो बिल्ड किया, आई थिंक लेट रॉबी टेक दैट
तो पहले तो आई फील देयर सो मेनी ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स, एक नहीं दो डायरेक्टर लग गए बनाने में. I mean, so you can imagine. I mean, but on a serious note, I think Sid's baby in the beginning, he got the script to be to us, and his vision, and the script was with him for some time, and we got the chance and opportunity to actually put it on screen. And personally, for me, a heist genre was something I really wanted to do. It excites me, watching it, making it, all of it. And to top it up with a script that we had, I mean, you can just see who's sitting over here. I mean, it's not even icing on the cake, it's bloody the cake. I mean, so fantabulous. As far as the characters, the way we built it and perceived them and put it on screen, I think the script had it all. You know what happens is in a narrative, when your script has lots of twists and turns, things move at a certain speed in a certain way. Our job actually becomes a little about making sure they go in the right direction, the right way. It's one of those films where the treatment was kind of laced out on the paper. You know, it's like not a character-driven film. It's actually a structural-driven film in the screenplay, where things are happening at a great speed, not knowing what's going to happen next. So it was honestly a fantastic experience in terms of getting a good script. I mean, the actors that we have on stage. A dream, honestly, and we lived it up. We hopefully made a good film.
Saif sir, I just want to check with you, because you, as I said, you've been ahead of the curve. Could you share with us, when you see things around, what are the Gen Z trends which you think will now...
Also, your earlier question, if a friend owns a restaurant, I don't like going there for free meals. I think friends should pay, and don't like taking advantage of things like that. So
मैं कल से तेरे साथ पासवर्ड शेयर नहीं करूँगा अपना, बस.
what about Gen Z?
So I wanted to know, I just wanted to know, you've got young kids. क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है सर? कुछ है अंदाजा कि क्या हो रहा है जेन जी की दुनिया में?
नहीं, I don't know, Hopefully the makers know. Hopefully the platform knows. We're actors. When we get an offer, hopefully it comes from a space where people have done a little thinking about what kind of films they should be made. And we're lucky, we get lots of different types of offers. And hopefully the offer is based on some kind of knowledge.
Fair enough.
I think producers should know this, even more than actors. And yeah, I am in touch with, but it's very difficult to predict trends. I think if you follow yourself, right? If you do something you really believe, I'll tell you about clothes, for example. I feel I've had a sense of fashion because it's what I believe in my heart. So I think if you strongly feel something, then chances are people will agree with you. But if you try and imagine what somebody else would want, you'll fail because it's impossible to do that. But since we're all quite similar, if you really try and please yourself, and hopefully a lot of people will agree with you. Does that answer your...
It does, sir. It does. And I have to, because you spoke about fashion, I think you've been very timely. सिद्धार्थ सर, आपसे पूछा था कि आप तो सैफ सर के साथ काफ़ी समय से काम करते हैं, तारा रामपम, सलाम नमस्ते, and now has anything changed in him? Be honest.
He is.
So it's not the first time we've been asked this question. So wait.
But I want to give an insight. He's grown, wider and taller. Yeah, those are the only two adjectives.
Emotionally or
Physically.
Physically, as you can see.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
नहीं और भी कुछ चीजें बताएं सर.
Grown inches.
Saif same है यार. I think he is lovable. He is somebody who's a darling on set. He makes everybody comfortable. And I'm glad कि जो भी change हुआ ये quality change नहीं हुई है. He makes everybody really comfortable, eases out everybody. Sometimes his jokes scare some people. His sense of humor is such, but he's amazing, and that's something that he shouldn't change.
So you said not much has changed. Can I humbly ask you, what is that one thing you would like to change in him?
Should I say it? That he should be on time.
Sir, आज तो सबसे पहले आए हुए थे.
No,
Tell us.
I think he has changed it, if I may.
Why?
I mean, he was mostly
Which
on...
shooting day he changed?
Because,
Huh?
because I am... What?
You're on time. That's what I'm saying. He's kind of changed. maybe you let us have. Really, I have to give it being honesty on stage.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Let's have a round of applause for all the beautiful stories you've seen on Netflix. जयदीप भाई आपसे बोल रहे थे एक अफवाह उड़ रही है कि खास करके आपका जो वो डांस है वो आप नहीं कर रहे, वो AI से हुआ है. तो मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूँ.
आई थिंक इनसे डांस करवा लीजिए आप, बेटर है. वो AI नहीं है, खुद किया है.
मैं देखिए सर
गलत बात.
सर नहीं सर
हमारा इतना बजट था नहीं कि AI कर
सर. नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता सर, मैं मानता ही नहीं सर, मैं मान ही नहीं रहा सर.
मैं मानता हूँ कि वो AI है. डन.
हमारा बजट नहीं था इतना.
नहीं.
देखो मतलब जेन्युइनली बहुत ज्यादा पैसा खर्च किया.
हमने इनको बोला जो आपको आता है आप कर लीजिए. कोरियोग्राफर ने भी कुछ नहीं किया.
बट जैसे हम दिन में बात कर रहे थे सर, सैफ सर कह रहे थे पता नहीं लोगों को ऐसा क्यों सरप्राइज लगता है कोई नाच सकता है, विच वाज नॉट. आई मीन जो लोग मुझे बचपन से जाते हैं, मैं अपना बैकग्राउंड हरियाणा है, बहुत घुड़चुड़ियों में नाचा हूँ. तो डांसिंग इज
जयदीप सर एक बात बताऊँ,
इज ओके. It's
नहीं,
again Shazia and Piyush
Shazia
just made our job easy. That's it.
I'll actually tell you, जब हम ये गाना शूट कर रहे थे, तो what happens is whichever actor has to go and dance, बाकी सब तब रेस्ट कर रहे होते हैं, काफी टाइम वैन में चले जाते हैं. जब जयदीप सर कैमरा के सामने जाने वाले थे डांस करने के लिए, he had an audience. हम सब ऐसे बैठकर देख रहे थे कि जयदीप is going to dance. We need to see this. सब उनके पहले शॉट के लिए वेट कर रहे थे.
पता हो क्या रहा था, सब बैठे थे कि देखते अब क्या करता है.
मैं
बड़ी
आपको
लाइनें याद करता नहीं, मैं बताता हूँ. बट बहुत मजा आया कि साथ में रिहर्स भी कर रहे थे. जितना भी हमें वक्त मिला, टाइम मिला, मुझे लगता थोड़ा कम ही वक्त मिला उसके लिए. बट आई थिंक प्रवीण एक लड़का है जो उनकी टीम में है, उसने मुझे थैंक यू गाइस, शाजिया, पीयूष, प्रवीण, इट्स हैपेंड बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइस. थैंक यू सो मच.
मेरे इतने सारे ऐसे फैंस मेरे लिए चिल्ला रहे होते ना सर.
नो नहीं, गलत है, ये गलत है. मैं इसकी अवमानना करता हूँ.
You want him to see? You want him to dance?
फिल्म में.
क्या आप देखना चाहते हैं? ओके, 25 अप्रैल को नेटफ्लिक्स पे देख लीजिएगा.
सर इसमें
25 को नेटफ्लिक्स पे.
थैंक यू.
बाकी का डांस आपको देखेगा एक्सक्लूसिवली ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स 25 अप्रैल को. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग सच अ सपोर्ट. लेट्स हैव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हिम. मैं निकिता आपसे जानना चाह रहा था कि क्या चुराना चाहेंगी?
Their real life personality.
हाँ जी, रियल लाइफ पर्सनालिटीज.
I think from Saif, I would like to steal his wit and his coolness. Yeah, a big fan of that. From Jaideep, I would want to really steal his acting skills. Unbeatable, as any co-actor I've worked with. And with Kunal, I would actually want to steal his voice. I've always said I really, really like. In fact, right now when you were backstage and you started speaking, I looked at Jaideep and I said, "Oh my God, his voice! I definitely want to steal that."
क्या बात है सर. मतलब क्या हुआ, आपने बोला यार शांत रहो, मैंने कहा यार बंदा कह रहा है तो शांति से वो तो मतलब. I just want to ask you, what would you like to steal from your co-stars in real life?
यार अभी सब बोल चुके. अभी
नहीं, उनको छोड़ दो सर, आप बताओ, बाकियों से नहीं पूछेंगे.
अभी बहुत सिमिलर चीज़ें हैं एक्चुअली. It sounds boring when I say it, but you know what I really like about Jaideep is he has this ability where he takes feedback very well. तो मैं ये कभी सीन करते थे और मैं बोलता था ऐसे मत करो, थोड़ा ये ऐसे ट्राई कर लो, and he used to say very very good suggestion. तो he's very talented, but he's very very open to feedback. And I think Saif is somebody who's very gracious, especially when it comes to me landing a couple of extra punches. He was very very gracious about taking them. So he's a very gracious co-star, and very very generous as a co-star as well, which is very rare in our industry, where you don't where everyone's trying to actually hog the limelight, but you know he's he's somebody who's very very fair, and you know he's thinking about the film. But Nikita, you know, we didn't get a chance to really work together because, yeah, we've not worked in the film at all because मेरा जो character है वो हिंदी फिल्म 80s की हिंदी फिल्म जो होती है ना उस तरह का कॉप है जो 5 मिनट बाद हमेशा पहुंचता है तो जब वारदात हो जाती है सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है तब वो पहुंचता है. So we actually don't have any work together, but you know, I really enjoy chatting with her. She's incredibly smart. We've had some great conversations, and you know, I've really enjoyed my time just hanging out on set whenever we've had a chance.
I'm glad you
Chatting.
didn't criticize the music, but that's great.
Criticize which music?
My playlist.
उनका playlist. Okay, sir, I just want to ask you.
If my character had an Instagram account, it would be called.
No, jewelry. No, come on.
I'd be something to do with that.
बनाया तो होगा आपने.
Diamonds or jewelry or some kind of. Call me for stealing. I don't know what. Something. He definitely. I think. You think a thief, international thief, should have an Instagram account? Like, hey.
सर 2025 में तो होना चाहिए. और in fact आपको reels भी बनानी
This
चाहिए.
is my house, and please, any.
Let's not talk about that.
Any theft, I can be reached at this number.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's a really good idea for a thief, international jewel thief to have an Instagram account. I'll. Yeah, no. You're not
No?
going to ask me what I want to steal from my co-star.
Please, I will.
I want to steal Jaideep Parawat's feminine charm. Very graceful. But Nikita's manly laugh. Because I wish I had a slightly more. You have to hear her laugh. And.
I really didn't expect that coming. I thought you said something nice.
आज खुश तो बहुत.
You're not going to see me laughing in the film. Saving Grace.
And I wouldn't mind being as tall as Kunal.
What about the person who's sitting right next to you here, Siddharth Anand?
Stealing from
Stealing from him.
Anand. I don't have to steal from him. He gives me.
Wow,
He gives me.
fantastic.
Always given me.
So sweet. Jaideep, I wanted to ask you, and this is going to be the last question. एक ऐसी चीज चाहेंगे कि हमें बताएं. कोई एक ऐसी चीज जो आप चाहते हैं दुनिया को पता लगे आपके बारे में जो अभी तक नहीं मालूम.
नहीं चाहता मैं सब.
तो एक जैसे डांस तो आपने छुपा के रखा था हमें पता लगा. कोई एक ऐसी
आपको अभी पता चला जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं वो सालों से जानते हैं.
बट आपके फैंस को भी पता लगा और बड़ा खुश थे
जो लोगों ने
आपको उस रूप में
पहली बार
देखकर.
देखा है, उनके लिए नया है. बाकी पता नहीं मैं घर खरीदने वाला हूँ. इज दैट आई एम प्लानिंग टू बाय अ हाउस. इज दैट न्यू टू एवरीवन? किसी को नहीं पता अभी
Just
तक.
don't give your address out.
नो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से.
जूल थीफ के लॉन्च पे आप बोल रहे हो आप घर खरीद रहे हो. वेरी गुड.
बात
आप
तो
देख
ठीक
रहे
है,
हो?
अच्छी बात है.
आपने मुझसे नहीं पूछा मैं क्या क्या चुरा सकता हूँ.
सर अभी आएंगे एंड में
अच्छा।
इसमें आएंगे. तो पहले तो यही हो गया कि भाई खबर आपको दे दी हमने और अब फाइनल बताइए इनसे क्या आप चुराना
आप
चाहते
सीरियसली पूछने लगे? मैं तो ऐसे ही
हैं. अरे नहीं आपने बोला आप
हरियाणा में एक प्रॉपर्टी है पटौडी पैलेस.
Buying my house?
अच्छी है, मैंने देखी है. बहुत कमाल की.
ठीक है.
या सिद्धार्थ सर. अच्छा नहीं आपसे. हाँ निकिता से उसकी एक्चुअली बहुत एनर्जेटिक है वो. शी इज ऑलवेज हैप्पी. I sometimes envy that. Like she's always charming, happy, zone, and yes, let's do something.
See, that's how you appreciate a laugh.
Yeah. So I
right
kind of
way.
think how
I was
how
just
come she-
joking, yeah.
So enigmatic every single day, every single time. And bhai, of course, the fitness, the voice, everything. Yeah, looks great. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. I just thought because the fans are here, you all are here, let's kind of make it very special. Sir, आप तो नहीं है Instagram पे, हम लोग हैं सर, हम डाल देते हैं सर एक selfie to capture this beautiful
My
moment.
pictures are on Instagram.
No, I know that sir. ये मैं अपने लिए कर रहा हूँ सर. So can I request you all to please let's take a picture together.
Platform.